Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to customize your SharePoint homepage. I'll be doing this on the web version of SharePoint. First, open your SharePoint site and sign in. Look to the top right of the page and click the Edit button. The page will switch into editing mode and the layout becomes interactive. Next, we'll add a new section. Hover your cursor over the section borders and you'll see a circled plus button appear. Click that, then select Add a new section. A section layout menu will pop up showing different column options: 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, and a few others. Pick the layout you want. Now let's add some content. On the right side of the page, select Toolbox to open the Web Parts panel. This shows you all the different content blocks you can add, things like text, images, hero sections, quick links, and document libraries. Find the web part you want and either click it or drag it into your section. Next, we'll change the site theme. Click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner, then select Change the Look from the menu. The Change the Look panel will open on the right. Click on Theme, browse through the available themes, and choose the one you want. You can customize the main and accent colors if you like. When you're happy with it, click Save. While you're still in the Change the Look panel, select Header. This opens the Header customization section where you can choose between different layout options: minimal, compact, standard, or extended. You can also adjust the background color and decide whether to show or hide the site title and logos. To upload your own logo, look for the Change buttons under Site Logo Thumbnail and Site Logo. Click Change and upload your image files. The recommended sizes are 64 by 64 pixels for the thumbnail and 192 by 64 pixels for the main logo. Now let's update the navigation. Find the Edit button at the end of your navigation links and click it. The navigation will enter edit mode. To add a new link, hover over the existing links and click the plus sign that appears. To edit an existing link, click the 3 dots next to it. Finally, when you're done customizing, go to the top of the page and you'll see either Save as Draft or Publish. If you click Save as Draft, only people with edit permissions can see your changes. When you're ready to make everything live, click Publish, and your customized homepage will be visible to everyone. A couple of quick tips: if you want to add more sections later, just go back into edit mode and use that same circled plus button. On communication sites, you can also add a footer by going to Settings, Change the Look, then Footer. And if you ever want to make a different page your homepage instead, go to Settings, Site Contents, Site Pages, find the page you want, click the 3 dots, and select Make Homepage. And there we go, your SharePoint homepage is now customized. Thanks for watching. See you next time.